Hello Saxo friend, Cajun here, the Sax Habit Coach, bringing you the best practice tips, tools and ideas to help you as a beginner saxophone player develop the practice habits and routines to master your saxophone faster. Now my purpose is to serve, motivate and to inspire you. So if it's your first time here, consider subscribing and remember to tap that notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video on this channel. So in today's video, we're talking about 5 basic elements that you should know as a saxophone player, and every sax player needs to know these. All right, so number 1, you should know basic music theory, such as key signatures and time signatures. Those are very, very basic and easy to learn. Okay. Number 2, the structure of a major scale versus a minor scale. Of course, there are tons of people who can play, and if you ask them what scale, they cannot tell you. Come on now. Knowing how a basic major scale is made, for example, is no different from knowing the structure of the English alphabet, knowing that after A comes B, then C, etc. Number 3, you should know your major and minor scales, and don't be mediocre about it. If you are playing sax for at least a year, you should at least know most or all of your major scales. Now, your major scales are the major ingredients to making a musical meal, right? Knowing your scales is as common as knowing salt or the common spices that every chef uses because of their importance to making a tasty meal. Number 4, tuning. Now, this is not just about being flat or being sharp. I'm talking about knowing which key you should be playing in when you're playing with other musicians or playing against a backing track. Okay. So if you're playing with a pianist and she's in the key of A major as an alto or bari sax player, you should readily know that you should be playing in F sharp major. If you are playing soprano or tenor, then you should be in B major. So alto and bari players, you are always a minor third below concert key, and soprano and tenor players, you are always one whole tone above concert key. That's the easiest way. So alto and bari, you just count backwards 3 half steps from whatever key the pianist is playing in. If the pianist is in the key of F major, it's simple. F to E is a half step, okay? Then E to E flat is another half step, and then E flat down to D going backwards is another half step. So 3 half steps, and you are playing in D major. Tenor and soprano players, if the pianist is in F, then it means you're going to count up 2 half steps or a whole step. So F to F sharp is 1, and then F sharp to G is 2 half steps, which is a whole step. So you'd play in G major. Number 5, knowing how to play or practice with a metronome. Now, playing with a metronome or a click track is of vital importance when it comes to developing your rhythm and timing. But most beginners tend to neglect practicing with a metronome because they think it's too difficult. Saxo friend, all the points that I've shared here can be learned if you just commit 10 minutes to the process each day. That's how simple and easy it is. And it doesn't matter if you are 25 or you are 75. Mastery loves consistency. Do remember to leave us a comment below, like and share this video, and share one struggle that you have while learning to play your saxophone. Now go practice, and as always guys, push play until something happens. Peace.